Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Guys, note people dragging my favorite YouTuber Lapana go Twitter for always making the same content. So people are saying my content creators or my YouTubers, they need to go back to their 9 to 5s, because nyalo seba uploada content lefanako. Always muntu useshop, always muntu yapheka, always muntu wenta lokho. Seba uploadela nje into leyi-one, banda basashintshi, sebasifaka nje content lesiyibukele to the previous vlog, the new vlog, it's still the same thing. Akushintshi lutho. And Snekukulethu was one of the YouTubers that was mentioned ukuthi nakayishintshi or content uhlezi nje na asiphakele content leyi-one. Guys, ngiyamthanda Snekukulethu. I don't know, maybe for some reason uyangi-inspire yade uSnekukulethu, like really like iba inspired ngaye, because uSnekukulethu she's one of the YouTubers labasho ukuthi bona baqale banganalutho. Guys, asho nje makakubalela i-background yakhe, you'd even think ukuthi mhlambe uyayingeta kuze isound more painful or yabo. So uyasho nje ukuthi yena ukhula nganalutho, hence why nyalo now that so khona ku-afford into etiningi, ufuna kuphila i-life like nje, ufuna kuphila i-life kubonakale ukuthi nyalo senginako phela kufani anaqala. So bantu bamdrega ukuthi hayibo girl boshintsha phela, wena wahlala upheka, wena wahlala wendani, ayesini i-content leyi-one, nikele imisebenzi niyekelela kona lokho ukuthi into ohlala nesinika nesifumba nge-content leyi-one, nibontshintsha phela lenye ilanga ube ukuphi lenye ilanga ube ukuphi. Hayi ukuthi wena wahlala wenda into leyi-one. I don't know, maybe I'm the one lone problem, because ngimbona ngazuthi uyayishintsha i-content mina igugu, angimbona sinike i-content leyi-one. I don't know, maybe ngikhulumisa ukuthi ngiyamthanda, but mina guys lokubonwa abantu hayi mina ngikuboni Nkosi yami. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.